looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so uninspired until the day I met you, Weenie Mushane. Life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind. And you make me feel, baby doll, you make me feel. No, you make me feel like a natural woman, sweetie. Do I? Yeah, you do. Oh, what you done to me. Bonjour, Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. Bonjour, Mino Gigashebe. Good morning. How's it going, Rockstar Cartoonist? Hey, I'm doing great. How are you? Not too bad. We got some cool stuff pre-recorded today. Don't we, sweetie? Uh-huh. But let me get stuff started with our groovy intro song. Bonjour! Hello! Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This over here, this is NANABOOZHOO, the star of the show. Ikadon Boozhoo, ni weenie mushane. Say hello, sweetheart. Okay, Boozhoo, Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. And over here, rockstar cartoonist Michael Lyons. Hey, everybody, welcome to the show. And today, noon goom, on this rainy morning, it is raining. Give me one. Give me one. It is raining. I thought for our get the show started. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is zibbe, zibbe, river, zibbe. Now, misabe means giant, and zibbe means river. It's been our feeling that Mississippi is actually Ojibwe for giant river. Misabe zibi, misabe zibi, misabe zibi, Mississippi, Mississippi. MISSISSIPPI. That's right, baby. And but there's also kind of a cool well, let me not oversell it. This is NANABOOZHOO. This is a poem by Bruce Springsteen, and it's called The River. The River by Bruce Springsteen. I come from down in the valley, where, mister, when you're young, they bring you up to do like your daddy done. Me and Mary, we met in high school when she was just 17. We'd ride out of this valley to where the fields were green. We'd go down to the river, and into the river we'd dive. Oh, down to the river we'd ride. Then I got Mary pregnant, and man, that was all she wrote. And for my 19th birthday, I got a union card and a wedding coat. We went down to the courthouse, and the judge put it all to rest. No wedding day smiles, no walk down the aisle, no flowers, no wedding dress. That night we went down to the river, and into the river we'd dive. Oh, down to the river we'd ride. I got a job working construction for the Johnstown Company. But lately there ain't been much work on account of the economy. Now all them things that seem so important, well, mister, they vanished right into the air. Now I just act like I don't remember. And Mary acts like she don't care. But I remember us riding in my brother's car, her body tan and wet down at the reservoir. At night on them banks, I'd lie awake and pull her close just to feel each breath she'd take. Now those memories come back to haunt me. They haunt me like a curse. Is a dream a lie if it don't come true? Or is it something worse that sends me down to the river, though I know the river is dry? That sends me down to the river to cry. This was The River by Bruce Springsteen. Thank you for listening. This poem's called This is the Sea, and I didn't write it. This is the sea. These things you keep, you'll better throw them away. You want to turn your back on your soulless days. Once you were tethered, but now you are free, because that was the river, and this is the sea. Now you're feeling weary, if you've been alone too long. Maybe you're suffering from a few too many plans that have gone wrong. And you're trying to remember how fine your life used to be. Running around, banging your drum like it's 1973. Well, that was the river, and this is the sea. Now you say you've got trouble. You say you've got pain. You say you've got nothing left to believe in, nothing to hold on to, nothing but chains. You're scouring your conscience, raking through your memories, scouring your conscience, and you know that you once held the key. But that was the river, and this is the sea. Now I can see that you're wavering as you try to decide. You've got a war in your head, and it's tearing you up inside. You're trying to make sense of something that you just don't see. Trying to make sense now, and you know that you once held the key. But that was the river, and this is the sea. Now I hear there's a train. It's coming on down the line, and it's yours if you hurry. You got still enough time. And you don't need no ticket. And you don't pay no fee. No, you don't need no ticket. And you don't pay no fee. Because that was a river. And this is the sea. Behold, the sea. This is the sea. Oh, miigwech. Okay, hey, Boozhoo!
Boozhoo!
Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha!
And we'd like to invite you to join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live streams, Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today,
candid behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons, and new music videos, dead celebrity interviews from heaven, what have you, and of course, cat videos of Bagheera.
These were the golden days.
Click the link below. Join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel, $4.99 a month. We'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga Wabamin. Minawa.
So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well,
I don't know, but I can't complain.
God knows I've got my
Own
own
escape.
With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to get too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. There were unicorns and cannonballs, palaces and piers, trumpets, towers, tenements, wide oceans full of tears, flags, rags, ferry boats, scimitars and scarves, every precious dream and vision underneath the stars. Yes, you climbed on the ladder with the wind in your sails. You came like a comet, blazing your trail, too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. That's how that poem goes. All right. Pictured a rainbow. You held it in your hands. I had flashes. You saw the plan. I wandered out in the world for years. While you just stayed in your room, I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. Hey, yeah. You were there at the turnstile with the wind at your heels. You stretch for the stars and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. I was grounded while you filled the sky. I was dumbfounded.
cut through lies. I watched the rain dirty valley. And you saw Brigadoon, I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon, the whole of the moon. I spoke about wings, you just flew. I wondered, I guessed, and I tried. You just flew, I sighed. And you swooned, I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon, the whole of the moon.
Hey, yeah.
With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. All of the moon, all of the moon.
Hey, yeah.
You saw the whole of the moon.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
All right. So, I didn't bring a pick.
That was great.
Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, you can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order. You know, I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like Ojibwe, and Dog and Manga, Boozhoo Ojibwe, many more. Click the links below. Miigwech. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance, for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway, under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. If you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance.
I don't know what your problem is.
You don't know what my problem is?
I'm just here to announce the show.
Gene, every time I want to do something on my own, you gotta muscle your way in, and you know, this is my thing. I am on the Rockstar Cartoonist podcast. I don't need you anymore. Can't you see that?
You don't need me, but we're Kiss.
I know we're kids, but it's not like we're married or anything. I just want to announce this show on my own.
Well, all right. Ooh, yeah. Well, all right. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Rockstar Cartoonist, the podcast about rock stars and cartoons.
Gene!
Never mind, I'm doing this.
No, I want to do it. This is my thing.
I'm telling you, I'm doing it. My name is Gene Simmons of Kiss. Ooh, yeah! And you're watching Rockstar Cartoonist.
And I'm Paul Stanley of Kiss.
Nobody cares.
Oh, really? You don't think they care?
Yeah, they care. Some of us care more than you know.
What are you saying, Gene?
I'm saying the thing I could never say before.
What is it?
I'm saying that I love you, Paul.
You love me? But I'm married and I have 5 children.
Yeah, so am I. That doesn't mean I don't love you.
But I can't.
You must.
I can't.
All right.
Because that would be gay.
I'm not gay, come on. I just love you.
Yeah, okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Emily Aubrey, and I Can Make You Love
Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize me. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power that you don't.
No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't.
Oh, I can't make you love me if you don't, sweetie.
Oh, but I love you.
Do you?
Of course I do. Gizagain, I love you.
Okay, hey, Bushu. Bushu, John Redcorn. What's going on, my brother? Those are some cool poems, sweetie.
Hey, thanks.
On a rainy morning like this, I feel kind of, I don't know. I feel a certain kind of way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about as specific as I can get. What's up with my hair this morning? Doesn't want to part right. So how you guys doing? Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Masabe Zibi. The Mississippi. The giant river, Masabe Zibi. Because that was the river, and this is the sea. What would you call the sea in Ojibwe?
We just call it the Gitchigummy.
Gitchigummy? I thought that was Lake Superior.
Yeah, that's Lake Superior too, but the great water, Gitchigummy.
Gitchigummy. The big lick, she said, never gives up her dead. La da 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 da. Hoka hey, bring, 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 bring.
Oh, hang on, sweetie, we got a call. Bonjour, this is NANABOOZHOO. Oh, yeah, sure. You sure you don't want to talk to Michael? Well, I'll tell you what, I'll put you on speakerphone. You can be on the show. Sweetie, Eric Carr is on line 2.
Eric Carr from Kiss? That's crazy. I thought he was dead.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he is. All right.
Line 2. Bonjour, Eric Carr. Welcome to the show.
Hey there, Natasha. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Are you calling from heaven?
Yeah, that's right. You know, I passed away back in 1991, but I'm still rocking and rolling all night, and I'm partying all day. But I'm doing it up here in heaven.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I started a band, with Eddie Van Halen and David Bowie. Well, we really rock.
Oh, that's cool. Who do you got playing bass?
We got that really great, famous bass player who passed away. He's up here, too. He's playing bass in our band.
Yeah, what's his name?
Oh, that bass player. That famous bass player everybody loved.
You can't name him, can you?
No, I can't.
Well, it's great to see you. Michael, Eric Carr's here.
Hey, Eric, how you doing?
Hey, Mike, how you doing? My baby fox. You still one of my baby foxes?
Yeah, I'm one of your baby foxes.
What's he talking about?
Oh, when I was like 13 years old, I sent him a fan letter, and he wrote me back, and he signed it. Love and kisses, Eric Carr. You're now one of my baby foxes. Be proud.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Love and kisses, Michael. Anyway, so what can I do for you, Eric?
Well, I wanted to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. How do you say fox in Ojibwe? Because that's what I am. I'm a fox. When I played drums for Kiss, I was the fox.
Yeah, I know you said you were the fox, but to me, you always looked like the raccoon.
No, I'm a fox, because I'm like a rock and roll fox.
All right. Well, okay. Fox, since you're such a fox, in Ojibwe is wagosh. Wagosh. But if you want to be accurate, I still think you look more like AC Bun. AC Bun. A raccoon.
an AC bun. You know, I gotta admit, I think you might be right. I thought I was the fox, but all this time I was just a AC bun. Yeah. And then how do you say kiss in Ojibwe? We say, oh Jim. Oh Jim. Oh Jim. Kiss. Wow. I tell you what, you gave me a lot to think about today. All this time I thought I was a fox, but it turns out I was just a, how do you say that? AC bun. AC bun. How come it's not EC bun? Well, E's sound like A in Ojibwe, like in the word Ojibwe. Oh, right on. AC bun. Well, hey, listen, Natasha, I sure do appreciate the show. I love learning how to speak Ojibwe almost as much as I love rocking and rolling all night and partying every day. Well, that's awesome. Anything else I can do for you today? Yeah. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye, Eric, because I know I'll see you again. You can always call back. So we say, Giga min, Minawa. Well, Giga min, Minawa. I'll see you again. And you're one of my baby foxes, Natasha. Oh, awesome. I'm one of your Abanujians. Wagoshag? I'm a baby fox. Yeah, that's right. All right, well, hey, Giga min, Minawa. And Mike, yeah? Giga min, Minawa, buddy. You're still my baby fox. Love and kisses. I think Eric has a thing for you. Yeah, I don't know. Well, there you go, sweetie. Oh, what? Eric Carr. Eric Carr, the raccoon of Kiss. Well, baby, I don't know about you, but I feel like we should cut it short.
Really?
Yeah, I'm kind of feeling like shorter videos get more views. And nobody's here except for John and us. What do you think, Michael? Yeah, sure. Well, hey, everybody, we're gonna mahjong. If you'd like to learn more Ojibwe language and culture, whatever, Ojibwe words and phrases by Michael Lyons and NANABOOZHOO and Natasha, I guess.
Yeah.
Is available at Amazon.com for the low price of, I don't know. We also have Ojiberish, Little Cutie, a Teddy Bear's Vision Quest, what have you. I don't know. Otherwise, baby doll, you want anything?
Nah, just tell them to give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. You'll get notified. You'll get a little email saying we're coming on live. But we'll be back tomorrow. And, yeah. Thank you for listening. Miigwech, Gabiza egg. Dush. And thank you for watching Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. My name is Natasha. This over here is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
That over there is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist.
Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Oh. No, 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 no. La-dee-dee-dum. Okay.